Today, let's learn the way that you can change your username on Twitch. Welcome back everyone to a new video on how Genic. If you want to add in a new username and change your existing one on your Twitch account, in this video, let me show you how it's done. Open up a web browser and then search for twitch.com and make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged into your Twitch account, click on the profile icon on the top right. Once you click on this drop down menu will open up. You'll need to head over to settings. Inside of settings, click on profile and then scroll down. Here where it says username, you can just click on this pencil icon and then add in any new username that you'd like. Now the one thing that you need to keep in mind is that you can only change your usernames every 60 days. So if you had previously changed your username within 60 days, you won't be able to change it again until the 60-day period hits. If you are allowed to change your username, you'll be able to type in any new username that you'd like, and then you can just click on update. If you are not able to change your username, the change icon will not appear. So make sure that you are not within the 60-day period of changing your username of Twitch. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.